Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Kids Box 5, Unit 5, Lesson 19, Material Things.
Welcome back to Kids Box 5, designed especially for 5th grade level. Open up your pupils book, Unit 5, Material Things.
Pupils Book, page 46. 1. Listen and tick the materials you hear.
This is a great new shopping centre. It's all made of brick. Look at this sweet shop.
Wow! Look at those mice. They're made of white chocolate.
Let's go and buy some sweets.
Aha! Grew like my new teeth.
Ugh, they're horrible. What are they made of?
They're made of sugar. They're great. Nice one, Dan.
Oh, look! These snakes are made of rubber. They're fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to buy one of these spiders. They're made of fur.
Really? I don't think anybody's going to be afraid of those.
Ah! Look out, Dan. There's a big black spider on your shoulder.
No, there isn't.
Oh, yes, there is. That spider isn't made of fur, Dan. It's real.
Ah!
It's okay. We were only joking.
Well, let's go and find out what things are made of for our next e-zine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Pupils Book, page 46. 2. Listen again. Say yes or no.
This is a great new shopping centre. It's all made of brick. Look at this sweet shop.
Wow! Look at those mice. They're made of white chocolate.
Let's go and buy some sweets.
Aha! Grew like my new teeth.
Ugh, they're horrible. What are they made of?
They're made of sugar. They're great. Nice one, Dan.
Oh, look! These snakes are made of rubber. They're fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to buy one of these spiders. They're made of fur.
Really? I don't think anybody's going to be afraid of those.
Ah! Look out, Dan. There's a big black spider on your shoulder.
No, there isn't.
Oh, yes, there is. That spider isn't made of fur, Dan. It's real.
Ah!
It's okay. We were only joking.
Well, let's go and find out what things are made of for our next e-zine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Section 2. Listen again if you need. Say yes or no to the following questions, 2 through 6. Number 1 is done for you as an example. The children go to a pet shop. No, they don't. So go ahead and answer yes or no to the questions. Pause the video at this time and resume for your corrections once you are finished. Section 3. Read and choose the right words. Let's go ahead and go through a few of these words together. Look, the mice are made of chocolate. The spider isn't made of fur. What are they made of? So, number 1, the shopping center is made on or of brick. Notice it is made of. Number 2, the mice is or are made of white chocolate. Notice mice is plural. It is more than one. So you want to go ahead and use are. Number 3, the teeth is or are made of sugar. Teeth, is that singular or plural? For singular, you would use is. But in this case, teeth are plural, so you use the word are. Number 4, the snake is made of rubber or bone. If you answer rubber, nicely done. Number 5, the small black spiders are made or make of fur. If your answer is made, nicely done. Number 6, the spider on Dan's shoulder is or isn't real. If you answered isn't, very good job. Pupil Book, page 47, section 4. Go ahead and take a listen and ask and answer the following questions for A through H. What are they made of?
Pupils Book, page 47. 5. Listen and check. 1,
Is your new school bag made of leather?
Yes, it is.
2,
When did you make the snowman in this picture?
We made it the last time it snowed a lot. You can only build snowmen in very cold winters because they're made of snow.
3.
What is this wall made of?
It's made of bricks. I always use bricks when I build walls. 4.
I love your hat. Is it new? It looks very warm. Thank you. It is new, and it is very warm because it's made of fur.
5.
What's this? Is it made of plastic?
No, it's called an eraser, and it's made of rubber. Look, it feels soft, and you can use it if you make a mistake when you write with a pencil.
I know that.
6.
What's your school like?
It's nice. It's very big and it's got old stone walls.
7.
Where's your old metal bike? You usually ride it to school.
My brother is using it today.
8.
Can I buy a pencil made of glass?
No, our pencils are made of wood, like this one.
Corrections, Section 4. Section 6, read and match. Number 1, this is my favorite hat. I can wear it every day because it changes with the weather. When it's raining, it's got 2 pieces of plastic to cover my ears. If your answer is C, nicely done. So go ahead and pause the video at this time, read 2 through 6, and match what picture goes with the description. And then resume for your corrections. Corrections. Section 6. Section 7. Read again and correct the sentences. Number 1. The hat changes every day. Notice this is not correct. The hat changes with the weather. So go ahead and correct the sentences 2 through 6, and then pause at this time until you have completed this task and resume for your corrections. Corrections, Section 7. Go ahead and pause and do your corrections. Activity book, page 46. Look again. Made of. Made of is to describe materials. In affirmative, positive form, it's made of chocolate. They're made of stone. In the negative form, is not. It isn't made of paper. Being singular, made for one. Or, in plural form, they aren't made of wood. They being more than one. To ask the question in singular form, is it made of sugar? In plural form, are they made of leaves? So in section 1, match the words with the pictures. Section 2, read and order the words. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Section 3, answer the questions. What are they made of? Remember, do complete sentences. Section 4, correct the sentences written below. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Activity book, page 47, section 5. Write the correct sentences. Section 6. Read, look, and label the picture. Section 7. Read and complete the text using the words in the box.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.